Hi, welcome back. I'm Crystal, the content director and photographer over at Crystal Clear Photography. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why light and bright images are going to be best for your product. I often work with lots of businesses all over the US. They come to me looking for a lighter, brighter, and more fun look for their images. Why does light and bright tend to work better than darker images? Well, it's really simple, you see. Whenever you want to look at a product, aren't you going to be attracted to the product that's going to be in a brighter light versus the one that's in a little bit of a darker lighting? You're also going to be able to see that product better than you could the other one. So instead of trying to guess or have your audience looking and trying to search for what the tiny print and things say, they can actually see everything much more clear, feel a little bit more confident in buying it, and most importantly, it's going to represent a lot more into what your brand actually stands for. So think about things like cleanliness, freshness. It also represents ease. So when they see your product, they automatically start feeling a lot more confident in what it is that they're purchasing. They automatically can relate to it. And hello, if you're in the beauty world or anything representing clean, fresh looks, people are going to automatically have that association with a lighter, brighter photo over one that's a little bit darker. So still have some doubts, not too sure? Make sure to click subscribe below as I keep you up to date with tips every week that are going to help you continue to improve your product images and your overall brand photography. Have any questions? Feel free to leave me a comment. I'm happy to help.